Smells like spring. Oh, wow. Guys, look at that. Can you, is that seeing? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Whoa. The sky is literally different colors. Like, it's just so weird. Good morning, guys. It is March 23rd, 2019. Tuesday. Today at preschool. Then I'm eating a library for lunch today. And then that's about it. I think it's supposed to thunderstorm a lot today, which I like thunderstorms, except I like to walk around. Like my one library friend I'm meeting, we really like to walk. So hopefully it's not raining and gross, because that just makes walking not fun. So hopefully it won't be doing it too much. So get this started. Breakfast. There's supposed to be this podcast making class thing tonight at the library, but I got waitlisted when I signed up, and I hadn't had an email saying there was an opening. So I just want to double check, and I don't want to call because I don't like doing that. So I'm just going to have to stop in and ask in person if there's an opening, because you never know. Like, what if someone called in and said, I'm not going, and then they forgot to take it off the list, because I've done that before. But yeah, that's what's going on. Grapefruit, grapefruit, grapefruit. Taylor Swift this morning. Another time and place, repeating history, and you're getting sick of it. Because these things will change. You feel it now. Hello. So, I left the preschool. I kind of had to rush because I was running a little bit late. And then I'm driving to lunch, and I realized that I don't have my chapstick. And if anyone knows me, chapstick and mints, I need to have those with me at all times. It's just a thing that I've always had, pretty much ever. So I'm like, oh man. And I'm thinking, well, it's like not anywhere close. Like, the way it works, if it's like far away, I'll get over it, it's fine. But I was like, wait, I might have one in the car. And I did. I had one in my car, because past me is so very efficient, and I'm very happy. So I had a chapstick, and it was good. So anyway, now I'm coming home, and then we're going on an adventure because Dad's going truck shopping, and Mom wanted to know if I wanted to go with them, so I am going. So that'll be nice. We're gonna like travel super far, so I'm excited about it. Something to do this evening because I don't have a whole lot to do much anymore. So I guess I wonder what we're gonna do for dinner. I should probably figure that out. Oh my gosh, these trees are so pretty. Okay, so anyway, there's an update for you. And yeah, bye. So I'm off to pick up Dad for the adventure of getting Dad a new truck. Don't know a lot of details, but spontaneous Megan strikes again. And of course, spontaneous Megan ends up behind somebody who thinks 25 is the speed limit on a 35 road. Picked up Dad. He's getting gas. I said, we can't use my car unless you give me some gas, because that's kind of far. And he said, okay, I'll give you 25 bucks. So, yeah. We picked up Mom. Hello. Are you waving?
I am.
Okay, very important. And we're driving and stuff. It's a train, you guys.
Wait for me.
Yeah.
Choo choo.
Good sound effects, Dad.
Choo choo.
That would be nice.
There's the
Oh,
caboose.
the train's going back.
That would be good. We should be home by now.
We made it. It's a momentous occasion. Where are you going? Who do I follow? This could be the one? Nice. I approve. What?
Take your time.
You want to be
You want to be? Well, he wants you in the front.
this side?
Whoa, you gotta pull the seat up way up. Wait, hold on. My seatbelt's stuck. Hold on, people. Sorry. Sorry.
I slip all over the place. So keep it right there.
He's just gonna let you take the car without sitting in it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I like this. Wait, I feel like we're stealing.
Nope, we're not stealing it.
Whoa. Look at that back there. It's a bed. Going so fast.
I made sure how it does on the.
Oh, you have to check the stereo. It has to play efficiently.
Why Daddy won't keep that one.
Oh. Okay. How does it feel so far?
Nice. Better than the other one that we drove.
Oh yeah. Just making sure everything opens and shuts. My job is to make sure there's like no hidden.
Show the vlog that.
Well,
No one's behind you. See, it's a camera to back up. That's cool.
So
He bought the truck, guys, but we can't take it back yet. Gotta wait a few days. Oh yeah. Tell us your thoughts, Dad.
yeah. Thanks. Take a picture of me in front of it.
Tell us your thoughts, Daddy. You excited? Yeah. Now we're celebrating a Texas Roadhouse. But they look confused.
Looks fantastic.
We'll focus on the rolls because they're beautiful.
Can't really look at much of it.
Oh wow. Yikes.
here, turn right.
Right here?
Figure, well, it's the only place to turn. Then we're gonna have to figure things out.
Can I go that way though?
Yeah.
Oh, everyone's doing it. Oh, he's telling us we need to reroute. That's bad. I wonder what's going on.
Just keep going on the road. Wow, this is a bad time to not have internet, people. Oh, wait.
Do I even have a GPS?
Starting route to home.
Turn around.
Yes, that's what you want. Wait.
What's happening? Now there's this semi truck.
Yeah, we must. We
Trying to turn.
We must have passed up the accident, so we should be able to turn left and pick up 16
This
This
again.
guy's
is-
probably trying to figure
this
out
is
well,
crazy.
where can I.
We made it. Barely. Barely made it. Alright guys, it's been quite the exciting day to end the vlog here. Trio vlog on Friday. And make sure you check out the Instagram because I'm on there and then all the stories from the Sundays are saved. So you should check out Easter's too if you wish to do that and all the fun we had. Yeah, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't use Twitter as much anymore, but you're more than welcome to go for that. I was going to be happy and see you guys all on Friday. Bye!